Hey everybody, BigStew here. All right, so we talked about balanced and unbalanced forces. How if the forces are equal, then either something doesn't move or its motion stays the same. And then we talked about unbalanced forces where one force is stronger than the other, and so it either makes the object move or change its motion. Today I want to talk about net force. Now, I can already see some of you going, nets? What's she talking about, nets? This is not like a basketball net or like a net that you would use to catch fish in. In this case, the word net means the same thing as total. So there may be more than one force acting on an object at any given time. For example, if we have a box here, and for some reason one person is pushing on the box on one side, and there's another pushing on the box on the other side, you have two opposite forces being pushed on the box. In this case, one person is pushing with a force of 50 newtons, and the other person is pushing with a force of 20 newtons. To find the net force in this case, because the forces are opposite, we have to subtract. So we have 50 newtons to the right minus 20 newtons to the left. That gives us a net force of 30 newtons to the right. So the person who's pushing on the box with more force is going to make the box move in that direction. Sometimes there might be more than one force in the same direction. In this case, we have three people with the box. One person is pushing the box, and the other two people have a rope that's tied around the box, and they're pulling on the box. They're all going in the same direction. So since they're all moving in the same direction, this time we add. So we add the person who's got the 45 newtons. Move out of the way, Maggie. Move, Maggie. The kids can't see the poster. Move your tail. Now I'm using a net force to move my cat out of the way. We have 25 newtons to the right, and we have 20 newtons, to the left. Maggie, move your tail. So we add that up. 45 plus 25 is 70, plus another 20 is a total, move Maggie, of 90 newtons. Remember, objects will move in the direction of the greater force. So if the greater force is to the left, the object will go to the left. Or if the greater force is moving up, for example, when you lift something up, then that object will move up. If you trip and fall down, the greater force may be down, so you'll move down. You might faceplant, you might not, but gravity gets us all. All right, we'll talk more about net force and give some more examples tomorrow. Have a good one.